Well, fortunately, the International Headache Society have this special interest groups. They have maybe 12 groups. Luckily, I'm the co-chair of the cluster headache special interest group with Professor Stephen Evers from Germany. We have experts in the cluster headache, 19 members from all around the world. We are interested in the pathogenesis of the cluster headache, the new genetic elements, the awareness of the young neurologists and the general population about the cluster headache and the other trigeminal autonomic cephalalgias. There are ongoing studies now that we're trying to start and initiate, knowing more about the drugs available in the high and low income countries to help those patients. We have the campaign that is supported by the International Headache Society with the videos with different languages that are just educating people about the diagnosis, the clinical picture, the investigations needed, the proper treatment, how to go to a physician and a headache specialist to avoid these attacks and reduce the suffering. We are also doing a very good workshop in the upcoming International Headache Congress 2025 that will be in Basel. And we are lucky to have this dedicated workshop for the cluster headache and attacks, including headache experts in this field.